Moin, I'm Felix. Welcome to Hiller Tools. Today I want to show you how to install a mixer tab, including the corresponding water piping, into a brick wall, or respectively how to prepare the grooves for this installation. First thing you do is marking the position of the mixer tab and also the water piping with the level. Afterwards you pick up this kind of cutting disc, diamond cutting disc for angle grinders, and start cutting the grooves. I'm using a dust collection here because it's a lot healthier and it's a very messy situation when you're cutting with an angle grinder. Once you're done cutting, you can use a chisel to get rid of the excess material. If you want to know how this works, watch the next video where I will show you more in detail.